weather forecast, which is not looking good. Welcome to bikepacker heaven. I had a big fall, well, not a big fall, I fell. I'm just about to leave the Dandalup hut. I ended up spending the night on my own here last night. It was a little bit scary, I have to admit. I did sleep well, woke a couple of times, didn't hear anything untoward, but it just didn't really feel that good just being here on my own. Bike's all packed up, ready to go. I did have signal here, so I was able to contact Mike and let him know where I am, and we had a good chat. I also was able to download the weather forecast, which is not looking good. About 3 this afternoon, it's going to absolutely pour. Because I had phone coverage, I did book a accommodation in Dwellingup. I don't want to be caught without a roof over my head tonight. If necessary, I'll take the roads to get there. I've noticed that there are some roads I can take to bypass some of the more rugged sections, so I don't have a problem with that. My personal safety is paramount. So it's a bit of grey overcast and it's quite cold. I've got my raincoat on. So yeah, day 5.
Day 5 unfolded exactly as forecast. Heavy rain all morning. It was too wet to film, so the camera stayed packed away. I sheltered for lunch beneath a grass tree beside the track, but the rain turned the trail slick and unforgiving. Just before reaching Dwellingup, I slipped in the pea gravel. A bruised hip, a grazed knee, and a clear signal it was time to stop.
Good morning. It's the morning of day 6 after a day 5 from hell, which added to all the other days. Yesterday was incredibly hard. It was raining the entire way. The trail was slippery. It was steep. I pushed the bike. A whole host of issues. I met a mountain biking guy, who gave me a shortcut to cut off some of the worst of it. I arrived here just before here at Dwellingup. I spent the night at Dwellingup. About 10 minutes before the office closed here, where I had a booking for this spa chalet. Had a spa. I went and had a big feed at the pub, big lemon cheesecake, a big pie. Oh, man, I ate and ate and ate. Bought half of the cheesecake back, and I've just had that for breakfast. As you can see, it's a beautiful room. Got a little veranda. There's a view out the front. We've got a fridge, a little kitchenette, microwave, usual stuff, queen size bed. We do have, this is the bit that I absolutely adored, the spa bath, plus all the usual amenities. But I'm not going to sugarcoat it, and I'm not going to lie. I'm on the verge of realising this is too much for me. Yesterday I had a big fall, well, not a big fall, I fell, and I hurt my knee and my shoulder and my hip. So the jury is still out on that, whether or not I can continue. It's due to rain here, or forecast to rain here, most of the day. So this cabin has been booked by someone else for tonight. So I think I might move to one of the backpacker or the walkers cabins. I think it's $60 a night. It's basically a bed, and you just walk to the amenities. I've done most of the washing and the tidying up of my bags here in this lovely room. So all I really need is somewhere to park myself for a day and one more night, possibly a third night, just to let things dry out. Big rain coming tonight, so I need to hunker down. Anyhow, this is the start of day 6. Oh, it's a 0 day today, so no riding, and I'm hoping I can get somewhere to spend the night here tonight, otherwise I'm in the poo. So welcome to bikepacker heaven. This is actually a kitchen, but I reckon it's possibly it could be a bike shop. What do you reckon?
Bike shop, could be. Yeah.
And also it's dinner time, so all the hungry ones are making a beeline for the microwave. Soon.